This is the CNC lathe machine in action making camshaft. The company behind manufacturing is 𝐌𝐄𝐂𝐇𝐀, Germany. Machine supports maximum part length of 480 mm. Maximum speed of counter spindle is up to 7,000 revolutions per minute. The maximum speed of main spindle is up to 7,000 revolutions per minute. The main spindle can easily travel on X, Y, Z axis. This machine has highest thermal stability. The speed of tool turret is up to 8,000 revolutions per minute. Finally, the camshaft is ready.